Alright guys, welcome back to another video tonight. Been kind of laying around the house all day and we rearranged the living room, and I went to put something down. I had a drink in my hand and I realized, hey, I don't have an end table right there. So I'm gonna go remedy that. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Oh, it's dark, so dark. Probably cut this out. Here we go. I didn't pick up my mess from last time, or the time before that, or the time before that. I see you. Come on back. Tell me it's dirty, I don't care. Not gonna make me pick it up anymore. Oh no. Okay, step one. Get some heat. Step two, go find some wood in the darkness. Sounds like a plan. For some wood. I think we found it. How many pieces? Here comes the fun part. Carrying it and you guys at the same time. Now, got the wood I wanted, tactical cross, and I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna use for the metal, because I'm not thinking the standard square end table. I kind of want to try a circular one, but I've never done that. I'm not a woodworker, not my forte. So I'm gonna go ahead and find something I can mount these together at the bottom for the brace for the steel, and then I'm going to figure out what kind of legs I want to make, because I could do the round stock. My brain. I could do that, or I could just do some square, some squaring. I'll find it. Okay, so I ended up finding this piece of flat stock. I think it's 2 inch by 1/4 inch, and that's going to be our base. And when I say base, I just mean the thing I'm connecting them across the wood with. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut, find out what size I want, and figure out the circumference, and we'll get back on video. Alright, so I boiled it down to 11 3/8 is going to be our max length, and then we'll do the circumference around that. Probably we'll figure it out beyond that. So don't have a marker. I'll use this though. What'd I say? 11 3/8. Is that right? Alright, so now I need to... Let's just make 4 of them. So, yeah. I'm gonna mount you guys. That sounded bad. Alright. Sketchy, sketchy. Let's do it. Oh, well, I didn't die. I don't always have the greatest working conditions. Now, do I do things safely? Yes. Safe enough. Do I ever put anyone in danger? Absolutely not, except myself. Now, do I recommend you do anything in these videos? No, don't. If you do it the right way or the safest way. Nah. See, it's clean. We got a 1, 2. That's 3, John. That's 3. Look at that. I cut them all wrong. I cut the middle one wrong. Do it again. Not just kidding. Now you may be asking yourself, hey, why doesn't this guy just clean his garage? Why didn't I think of that? I don't have time. Not right now. My free time is the weekends, and my free time usually goes to my family. Family's important. Hakuna Matata or whatever. It's a little wonky. How do I cut that? Can't find my jigsaw, so I found this little guy. Let's get her cutting. The frick is this? Got no gas in it. Yeah, okay. Nope, not doing that. Nope. Okay, this is got sketch. Let's try this. You know, in hindsight, this was a fantastic idea. So, I don't have any tools for woodworking. None. So, like I said, this is just something to catch the booze. I don't drink. A little bit. But, I just took a grinder to it. It's round. It's a shape. Gonna take a little more off, and we'll keep going from there. Kind of ironic. I bought a ton of flap disc earlier this year, and well, last year, and I didn't like them. They're okay, but it was a big bulk cheapo, and they're good for like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna see what they do to this wood. Bit. Oh, thank God it didn't go in the water. All right, I like that. It's not perfect, but for what I'm doing, that's gonna do it. And time to get sketchy again, I guess. Close enough. There's 2. We'll just round the corners on this guy. Okay, now hey, it looks like crap, but it's a circle. Yeah. Any hosing? Yeah, that's it for today. No, we're gonna go ahead and smack it. Let it know I'm the boss. I'm gonna measure out the steel. I don't know why I bother. That's too wide. What else can I use? I'll use that. I'll be right back. Go ahead and cut our first brace off here. You know what? It's gonna be, I can't say it's gonna be built right because it ain't built right. There ain't nothing built right about this. This is a, why am I doing that? Square. This is a video on how not to do something, but hey, if you ain't got no tools and all you got's a grinder, sawzall, hey, you can make stuff happen. There's a will, there's a way. Now, be sure to wear your favorite clothing so you can go burn holes in it. All right. Get this pizza pie. Gross. Get this where we want it. That's hot. Get these ends lined up. So now, go ahead and cut the radius into it. Now, the only good thing you could do with a cutting disc that's broke, throw it away. All right, had a little scary moment because I was slacking off. So we're gonna go ahead and ignore that like it didn't happen. Clean these up real quick and then mount them up. Well, all right, want these flipped. This is the bottom, this is the top. So take that, put these where we want them. Where's my other one? Could have done better, couldn't ya? But I didn't. All right. Yep. I'm gonna get these holes drilled so we can fit these. That's gonna be a tight freaking fit. We shall see. All right, so let me tell you something real quick. Make sure this isn't hardened steel before you try drilling it out. That sucked. Anyway, we got her all cleaned up. I just went ahead and drilled them off camera. Camera died on me, so I was charging her up. Got her pieces clean. I stripped them down with, you know, the old Woodworker 6000. Again, this is not supposed to be professional. This is supposed to be something to hold my Pepsis. So, next, I ask you, what are we supposed to do next? Anyone have any suggestions? Anyone? You there? Me? Hey, you're the only one else in here. We could stain it. paint it, or we can burn it. Alright, so I have a torch. We're gonna go ahead and burn this. I know it looks crazy, and you might be thinking, holy crap, he burned it. She scorched, ruined it. To that I say, nay, just watch. Get a nice smoky wood. A little bit of shine going on in there. I'm gonna leave the edges crispy because I like the two-tone. But that, look at that. Put a little bit of clear on there. If I still have some. It'll be beautiful. Yeah. Again, leaving the edges crispy. I like that two-tone. That's how you do that. Clean her up a little bit. I have very little. I polyurethane them because I don't want the water to seep in here. It's a fairly tight wood because it's a hardwood, but I still like to hit them, and it changes the color. Seal it all up. Is this a $300 piece? No. It's not even a $100 piece. Well, maybe. To the right person, it might be. This is just what I need it to be. All right, it's the next night. Thought I was recording on the GoPro. Turns out I was not. So when I hit, record to stop recording, it just recorded me walking out the door. I'll put that in there anyway. So we got her done. But like I said, everything I recorded towards the end did not record. So there's the finished product. Not shabby, guys. Not shabby. For the leg, went ahead and went with the 5/16 chain. It's kind of like my calling card. Mounted her on there with a bolt because that's what I had on hand at the time. She'll work, guys. She'll work. So yeah, that's the ending that's supposed to be in there, but it didn't because I just can't double check things apparently. All right then. Now that's it for this video. See you guys next time.